What if I told you that one click could give strangers access to your online life every day? Millions of people visit websites, see a cookie pop up, and instantly click accept all without thinking twice. But that one click could be helping companies track where you go, what you buy, what you search for, and even where you are. The scary part, most people have no idea it's happening. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop these trackers and delete the data they've already collected from your browser in just a few minutes. Let's get started. If you care about your online privacy, today's video is one of the most important videos you'll watch this year. Most people believe cookies are harmless. They think they're only used to remember passwords or keep them logged into websites. But that's only part of the story behind the scenes. Many cookies are being used to track your activity across the internet. And right now, there is a good chance that dozens of companies are collecting information about you without you even realizing it. Let's first understand what's really happening. Step 1. Understand the problem. A cookie is a small file that a website stores on your device. Some cookies are useful. They remember your login details, language settings, and shopping cart. But tracking cookies are different. These cookies can follow your activity from one website to another. Imagine searching for a product on one website. Then suddenly you start seeing ads for that same product everywhere. That's not a coincidence. Tracking companies use cookies to build a profile about you. They learn what you search for, what you buy, which websites you visit, how long you stay on a page, what interests you over time. They create a detailed picture of your online behavior, and that information is worth a lot of money. Step 2. Delete tracking cookies from Google Chrome. Now let's clean things up. Grab your phone or computer and open Google Chrome. Follow these steps carefully. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Select Settings, tap or click Privacy and Security. Find and open Clear Browsing Data. Look for the time range option. This is important. If it says last hour or last 24 hours, change it to all time. You want to remove everything, make sure the box labeled cookies and site data is free. Know what happens next. There is one thing you should know. After deleting cookies, some websites may sign you out. You might need to log back into sites like Amazon, Facebook, or other accounts you use regularly. Don't worry, your saved passwords are usually stored separately in your password manager or browser account. Logging back in only takes a few seconds and is a small price to pay for better privacy. Step 4. Make this a monthly habit. Most people do this once and forget about it. Don't make that mistake. Tracking cookies come back over time. I recommend clearing them at least once every month. Right now, pause this video and set a monthly reminder on your phone. Future you will thank you. Think of it like cleaning your house. The fewer tracking cookies sitting on your device, the less information companies can collect about you. You may never be completely invisible online, but taking a few minutes to clean your browser puts you ahead of most internet users. Privacy isn't about having something to hide. It's about taking control of your own information. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple privacy and security tips. And before you go, check your browser right now and tell me in the comments how many websites were secretly storing cookies on your device. I can't wait to read your answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.